Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is good. So you people already know that CB grade A phase 2 is already done. So what becomes most important for us to analyze is the expected result date plus cutoff expected as well. Now whatever analysis I am going to make today is on the basis of previous trend analysis only, and accordingly we'll try to analyze that what are the expected result date. People need to go on the courses, so this pop-up will arise there, that is YouTube class PDFs, and accordingly you people will be able to download it as well. Now first of all, let's talk about the expected result date. So first of all, like before that, right, prior to that, let's analyze the previous year trends also. You can clearly see, I'm just talking about the time period of 2020, where the date of phase 2 examination was 27th of February 2021, and the result date was 18th of September, like 18th of March 2021, right? Along with that, when I talk about 22, so the examination took place on 20th of March 2022, but the result date was April 7th 2022 only, so near to 18 days, right? Along with that, when I specifically talk about 2023, so 17th September it took place, and the result was out on 12th of October 2023. So accordingly, if I try to compare it with these 2 years here, तो इसका जो कट ऑफ है, फिर जो उसका एक्सपेक्टेड डेट है वो थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हुआ है, more than 20 days, right? But if you try to see, which is not something which is very recurring in nature, because here it has taken a lot of time, right? अगस्त से बाद जो है यहाँ पे अक्टूबर में जो है ये पूछा गया, मतलब अक्टूबर में जो है दैट रिजल्ट वाज एक्चुअली रिलीज्ड. So it has taken more than, like, it has actually taken nearly 40 something of days, right? So that is not something which is going to be repeated this year. Of course, this is a sort of extraordinary situation that has taken place, maybe just because of administrative delays, or maybe just because of any inside things. But when I talk about expected date of 2025, so we are expecting it to be taking 20 से लेके 30 days जो है उसके बीच बीच में जो है रिजल्ट विल बी आउट, राइट? So we are expecting on the basis of this particular the previous trend only. Maybe it can take 18 days also, maybe it can take 25 or maybe 24-25 days as well. So expected date is mid March. Okay, expected date is mid March only. हो सकता है कि 15th मार्च से लेके हो सकता है 20th मार्च के आसपास जो है आपको रिजल्ट, या फिर 25 मार्च के आसपास जो है वो रिजल्ट देखने को मिले. Again telling you, this is all on the basis of previous trend only. So we are expecting कि हो सकता है कि mid March तक results will be out, right? This is what we expect here. Don't focus on the previous year, that is 2024 paper, because this is extraordinary sort of situation. They have taken like a lot of days, right? They have taken nearly 40 sort of days here. So that is not something which is going to be happening. That is not something which is going to happen on a repetitive basis, okay? So this is the average here, and we are expecting it to be out in mid of March only. So these are the expected dates here, okay? So the people need to be ready for